Welcome! In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a notification on Facebook using your PC with the latest update. If your notifications panel is getting cluttered or you just want to clean things up, this quick guide will help you do it in just a few clicks. First, go ahead and open Facebook on your web browser. You can use any browser you prefer, like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Once Facebook loads, make sure you're logged into your account. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a row of icons, including your profile picture. Find the notifications icon. It looks like a little bell. Click on that icon to open your notifications panel. Once the panel opens, you'll see a list of all your recent notifications. Take a moment to scroll through and find the specific notification you want to remove. This could be anything from friend activity to group updates or page alerts. When you've found the notification you want to delete, move your mouse over it. You should see a small three-dot menu icon appear next to that notification. Click on those three dots to open more options. From the menu that appears, look for the option that allows you to delete or remove the notification. Click on it, and just like that, the notification will disappear from your list. That's it. The notification is now removed, and your notifications panel is a bit cleaner and easier to manage. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more quick tutorials like this to stay updated with the latest Facebook features and changes.